Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is once again Michael, and then guys, if you are new to this channel, we talk about crypto, how to make money from cryptocurrency, make USDT, stable coin, and affiliate marketing passive. Why you can do this all on your phone. My name is Michael, and on this channel you are all welcome, and I'll be glad to open an opportunity that I've been using since to make money to you guys here on this platform. Now, online business opportunity that will help us to make huge income for the next 4 to 6 months. The company has a plan of going the next 2 years, but can we trust that? Of course, because our experience so far has made us not to trust these guys. So that is one of my opinion. And then second, this is crypto arbitrage, the next COTP. It was actually in the concept of the late COTP that we all did. Everybody has experience here. I too lost heavily, but nevertheless, we have to move on because life is not about moving on and not being stagnant. We just have to try something else. God, we not know the one that is gonna be the hit on us the next. So, guys, my golden rule: do not get greedy. Set your own goal. Diversify, not pour your eggs in one basket. You understand? Always invest in what you understand. If you don't understand how this works, the concept of this program, just walk away. You can watch the video, share it with somebody that is interested. God will bless you. Not follow someone's greed and fear. Know what you are doing. Never invest borrowed money. I always say so. That is just my golden rule. Then my 10 steps to cross off success, that bookmarks. Have my own personal dream. Have your personal dream too. Develop a plan, set a goal, acquire skill set, build a team, work smart, build relationship, follow the procedures, process, pay price. Price. It must be a price you are paying. Are you sacrificing? Are you spending money to get information currently? And consistently doing that makes you enjoy and make you become a king in this game. Like I always said, this opportunity is open to everybody at the same time. It is what we do with the opportunity that is open to us that makes a difference. I will keep saying that every day, every time. Now, I have done a video on how to add your wallet on this platform for withdrawals and all of that. And today I'm going to talk about how you can double your capital in 23 days. Yes, I must put that here so I can see 23 days capital back guarantee. I'm going to walk you guys through and show you even as low as $10. $10 you can start $10 to $50 to $100. As much as you can afford, you can actually come on board on this amazing platform. So guys, I'm not going to waste your time. For those who don't understand what is crypto arbitrage, is overviewing trading strategy, opportunity, and more. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is interesting in concept with favorable outcome, but there is more more that the trader must know about opportunity in the crypto market. Arbitrage capturing the profit opportunity streaming from price difference between the different market for an asset. So that is just it. You are buying from A, you are taking it to B to sell on another platform. That is as simple as ABCD to understand what crypto arbitrage is all about. The same process we do in the economic market, in the modern market, is what we do here in the cryptocurrency. So that is just how this works. Now I want to show you guys I will show you guys how to trade now. And as you can see, this is my calculator, and I will start with the smallest amount here of $10, and daily is, let's just leave it at 3%, and then month, 1 month. Then we hit our calculator and see. Now you see, by the end of 1 month, the return is 150%, as you can see here, 150%. Then interest rate will be $15. Total investment value will be $25 for $100 account. How is that possible? You need to see it here. So when you zoom it here, number 23, if you check it through here, and comes to number 23 in a month. If you take 23 in a month, okay, okay, 23 in a month should be around 25 thereabout. Okay, on the 31st, depending the date we are starting up now, you will see that you have $11 on the 31st to 30 on the 1st of September. You have, as I'm doing this video currently today, you have your money back for $20 account. As small as that, you can have your money back. You understand now? Then in total return for the month, if you are consistently trading for every 3 hours, I'm going to do a video, a script you can use for free, and do this for every 24 hours. It does every hour, it does this trade for you without you coming to do the or set your alarm. So that is just it. Now let's look at $100 account and see the difference for $100 account for or let's say $500 account. If it's possible, you can actually do this by yourself. Now for $500 account, 150%, 150%, you see what you are going to take on 1,250. That is 750 will be your outcome, and September 7 you have already making your money. Now even to break even is going to be in one of those days. We have a day you're going to break even for $500 is going to be on the 2nd of September. You have 580. Your capital is returned back to you on that particular date. You understand now? So this is why this is amazing. Let's check $1,000 account and see amazing result. And if I decide to show you guys, I'm not going to say much, but if I decide to show you guys, I can categorically tell you there are people who made a lot of money during when COTP started newly, and they were not at loss. They are not at loss at any beginning time, and that was amazing thing that happened at this of that time. So on the first, you break even 1,093 USD on the first. You understand now? Now this is your return. Take this or take home. This is your take home. 1,500 USD is your take home for September 7. You are already breaking even. It's risky, but I'm telling you, it's worth taking the risk. So that is just how to do that. Now to get on board on WOTC, there's a link in the description of this video. You can get in contact with me. My WhatsApp link is going to be there. You just register. You can see people are making money hour by hour and with the cent and all of that day by day on this platform. So you can just click. I just use it for the purpose of this video. It's just $10. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to let you guys know. You're going to see this is withdrawal, recharge. You click recharge here, and you will have a wallet, a TRC20 wallet for you to make deposit. Then when you are through, you come to transaction hall. You put in everything, then start filtering. AI smart machine, it will be looking for a way to get you a buyer, and when you do that, you start trading. You confirm your payment, and you wait for your time count to finish on this particular hour for a result. That is 3 hours from now. So if you do this, you can actually set your time on your phone for a withdrawal. So at the end, you can know, okay, this is time for me to go in and actually make another trade. So guys, this is how to make trade on this platform, and I'll be very glad to welcome you guys again. Now I'll be talking about how to make money with your skills on this platform, and I'm going to do a video for that for you in the next video. So why don't you subscribe to this channel, bell icon, to get notified whenever I drop a new video, so that you get information and ways to make money free on the internet, downloading images and 3D icons for free. It's amazing website and it's working perfectly. I'll be upgrading. That's my next video. Watch out, unveiling. So that is why you need to stick to this channel. For new members, thank you. Welcome back to this platform. For old members, I welcome you. You're the VIP of the day, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.